Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Katherine. I make mostly language and book related videos on this channel. However, recently I started documenting my weight loss journey and I think I'm gonna incorporate more so lifestyle videos on this channel as well because that's something that I'm very interested in. And so basically I have been on this journey for 3 full weeks. I cannot believe how fast time flies. It's just crazy. It was, I think it was just the second day of this journey, and now it's like 20-ish something day, 22nd day, and it's just insane. During this time, during these 3 weeks, I have lost exactly 2 kilos, and I think it's a good progress. Like any result is a good result, and for me, who didn't have a lot of excess weight, I'm not overweight. I've never been really overweight, and I have been on this kind of healthy lifestyle for 5-6 years now, and I've been drinking a lot of water, eating semi-healthy. Yes, I did eat a lot of unhealthy foods in the past couple of months, especially since I started working in a preschool and I was overeating at night. Yes, that's not healthy, and it's just really bad for you. But in general, my body is used to having a lot of water, it's used to having a lot of nutrients, and so it's harder for me. And for example, someone who has never been on a health journey, who has never drank 2-3 liters of water a day, who has never eaten a ton of nutrients and is just like very overweight, for that person it would be easy to lose 4 or 5 kilos a week at first because their body is just not used to it and they are just stepping so much out of their comfort zone. For me, it's not that big of a deal. Obviously, I made some changes from my recent lifestyle, but it's not as drastic as for someone who has never done that. And I think 2 kilos is not bad. And yeah, I'm excited for this week. I have 5 weekdays off. Not 5 weekdays, I have 5 holidays. It's like a Independence Day on 4th of May. And I think for this week, I'm not gonna choose a specific focus. I think I'm gonna be working towards balance more because I think I'm on the right path, but finding balance, it's not a work of 1 week. It's not like you click and you find your balance. It's a long journey, and I think I need to be working on that a lot more because last week was kind of hard. If you watched my previous vlog of week 3, you know what I'm talking about, but basically it was hard physically and mentally for me. Now I'm stepping into this week with new strength, new motivation, and new goals, and I am very excited. And now I just need to run to my work. We are doing COVID tests every Friday, and since it's a day off for me, I need to go there anyway because I worked this entire week, and in case I have COVID, which I don't think I have, I'm healthy and I don't feel bad, then the entire group that I work with and people that were like in connection with me will have to be in self-isolation. But I've never had positive COVID test, if you're wondering. I've done 7-8 of them and I haven't had positive. And yeah, I just need to run there. I wanted to go by bike and then quickly go to the thrift store, but I decided that I'm not gonna because it's rainy and I'm not going on my bike and I just don't want to walk all the way to the thrift store. I'm lazy today. Breakfast for today is Greek yogurt, frozen mangoes, frozen cherries, trail mix, chia seeds, and a little bit of coconut flakes and coffee. I don't know what it is. I've been obsessed with this breakfast lately. It's just so delicious and so filling and so yummy. I just can't. I don't know. A quick mini grocery haul. I bought some lentils. We had some at home, but I decided to buy a little bit more because I'm going to be cooking something with lentils today, and I don't know if what we have is enough. Then I also bought some tomatoes as well as Greek yogurt for my favorite breakfast as of lately. So I'm going to show you what I cook when I do. For lunch today, I'm having a tortilla with some vegetables and boiled chicken, and I'm gonna watch an episode of my favorite TV show, and later I am going to work out. As you can see, it's a little bit ruined, but it's still gonna be delicious. And the last meal of the day is a lentil tomato soup, and I added a little bit of chicken as well as some cream. It's very delicious. I've never tried making this. I've actually made lentil kind of chili with carrots and peppers before, but this is very simple, and I'm gonna leave a link to the Pinterest recipe that I followed. It's warm and it looks like a pretty much comfort food, so I'm gonna have that one. Hi friends, it is Saturday and today I'm feeling a little bit lazy even though it's May 1st, and usually on the first day of month I feel very inspired, but earlier today I was on the balcony and I read 100 pages of this book. I'm really enjoying it, but now after lunch I feel a little bit demotivated and very not sleepy, but just sluggish and lazy, and I just don't want to do anything. I want to lay in bed and watch a TV series, which I'm probably gonna do for a little bit, to be honest. But anyway, later today, I need to get myself together and just do a workout because it's day 11, I think, of Chloe Things Challenge, so I just need to finish that. Apparently, this is my new favorite spot to film, in front of my mirror, because I just love this setup so much. But anyway, it is now Monday. We are still on May holidays, and yeah, excuse my pimple. I haven't had pimples in like 4 or 5 months, and now I just had one. So yeah, and it looks horrible on camera. I know in real life it doesn't look as bad, but anyway, remember I told you that I felt very hungry on Saturday? Now I know the reason. I always feel super hungry on that time of the month, but for some reason I thought that now that I'm eating more vegetables and I'm more like filling myself with better nutrients, I'm not gonna feel as hungry, but I did. And today I also felt hungry and I actually ate pasta, which is like totally okay. It's totally normal to eat pasta. I don't know why I thought that it's not okay to eat pasta when you're on a weight loss journey. It's just that you have to control your portions and not eat an entire bowl.
I remember when we couldn't stay apart, holding hands and making love out in your car. Never thought that it would end, but I was young and didn't understand my heart. Spoke a tongue I never heard of. You were warm by all those words I couldn't say. It was love I never had to tell you. Up above, they're singing for the times we had. Memories haunt below. Roll the line until it hit the ground. Now angels rise.
It is now now Tuesday. I know I haven't really updated you in a while, but honestly, I feel like finally I really want to go back to work. I don't know. I never thought I would say that, but I want to go to work because then I can start building a routine, kind of like a schedule for everything, for workouts, for learning languages, for reading, for everything. Like, because over the past couple of months my schedule has been just all over the place and I haven't had a very set schedule and a routine what I do. And also, I'm kind of bored of these holidays, to be honest. I had 5 days off, but like Friday, everybody was working, and then Saturday, my parents went to the garden to do some gardening stuff. I don't like gardening, so I didn't go. So I spent time at home, and then Sunday was like church day, as well as I went to youth group meetings, so that was fun. But then yesterday it was raining and my mom was working, but we are actually renovating our big room, so my dad was building furniture, so we couldn't go anywhere. And then today it's just like very, I don't know, it's kind of a depressing day. I don't know how to explain this, but we're not going anywhere. So normally on holidays we would go somewhere, like to the beach or to like a forest or a park somewhere. We would go for walks or we would go on like a little day trip, but these 5 days we haven't escaped the town at all, and I'm kind of over it already, so I just really want to go back to work. Also, my step count is very, very low. I don't think it has been over 6K since Friday. Normally, I walk around 10 to 13K a day because I work as a preschool teacher, and now as it's warming up, you spend a lot more time outside with the kids, so we have to like walk a lot more, which I'm very excited about. I'm very, very excited about summer because then we leave the classroom at 9 a.m. and we come back for lunch, and then right after they wake up they have like evening snack and we go out again. So we spend like 5-6 hours a day outside, literally just like walking or playing ball with the kids and doing a lot of active stuff, and I'm very excited about that. But also, over actually today, I created something in my bullet journal related to fitness and weight loss. So let me show you. Created this weight loss tracker today, and also I'm gonna start measuring myself next week on day one of next weight loss week. So it's gonna be Friday, so it's gonna be the first day of second month. I just decided that it's something that I want to do, not just focus on the weight, but also just measure myself. And I'm gonna measure myself every 4 weeks instead of on the first of every month. I'm just gonna do it every 4 weeks. I decided to make banana pancakes for breakfast. I haven't had or made pancakes in a very long time, and I actually added some protein, so we're gonna see how they turn out. And that's the final result. These two are a little bit burned, but that's okay. I added a little bit of frozen cherries, and I'm gonna have some green tea with them. I'm excited. I just love pancakes so much. Now the end of week 4. I cannot believe I've been on this weight loss journey for 4 weeks. It's like almost a month. It is just crazy. And I have lost 2.7 kilos of weight. I understand that it's not 2.7 kilos of fat, because I've heard somewhere that you can physically only lose 2 kilos of fat in a month. So obviously it wasn't 2.7 kilos of fat. I think it was mostly water weight, because Even though I feel a little bit lighter, I don't really see a ton of changes in the mirror. So going forward, I am going to incorporate some changes, but you're gonna see that in my next update. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if you like longer vlogs or if you like this shorter weekly vlog. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment how you liked it, and I will see you very soon. Bye!